Are you dreaming of turning your love of candles into a real business? Maybe you're tired of watching other people launch their candle brands while you're stuck in the brainstorming phase. Or maybe you've already started but feel like your brand doesn't stand out. Trust me, I've been there. I started my candle brand with just a kit and a passion for making a difference. And over time, I've built it into a growing business with a loyal customer base. And today, I'm breaking down the 5 essential steps to build your candle brand the right way. Stick around to the end because I've got a free worksheet that'll help you take action right after this video. So let's get into it. Every successful brand starts with identity. So ask yourself, what's the mood, vibe, or mission behind your candle line? Are you bold and edgy? Clean and calming? Minimalist? Luxurious? Your identity drives everything. Your logo, your scents, your packaging, even your Instagram captions. It needs to connect with people emotionally. So here's what I did. My brand is rooted in positivity and hope, so every candle that I sell comes with a positivity card with a motivational or inspirational quote. That's kind of my way of adding light to someone's life, literally and emotionally. Here's an action tip. Create a mood board. Use Pinterest or Canva, collect visuals, words, and colors that represent your vibe. This will help you stay visually and emotionally consistent as you grow. Step 2. Let's be real. Not everybody is your customer, and that's okay. The better you know your audience, the easier it becomes to choose the right scent profiles, price your products, market on the right platforms. So ask yourself, who are they? Are they busy moms looking for calm? Are they luxury shoppers who love a spa day? Or are they Gen Z gift buyers? Here's what worked for me. I started creating products that I loved, but I quickly realized who was buying the most. It was women, typically around 25 to 45, emotionally connected to scent and storytelling. So I leaned into that. Here's another action tip. Use polls on Instagram, talk to real people, even look at Amazon reviews of candles to see what people are saying about it. Knowing your audience helps you design with them in mind. Step 3. Now let's talk about what you're actually gonna sell. Start simple. I know the temptation to create 15 candles with 20-cent combos, but trust me, that'll overwhelm you and your customers. So I recommend starting with a core line, 3 to 5 signature scents, 1 jar size. I found that 8 ounce is kind of that sweet spot, and keep your pricing clear and consistent. Make sure your scents match your brand identity. If you're building a calming spa-like brand, don't launch with Fruit Loops. If you're doing playful and bold, go for something like cotton candy bourbon or mahogany spice. Here's a bonus tip. Track your COGS, or your cost of goods sold. If your candle costs $5 to make, you should price it at least $20. That 4x markup gives you room for profit. Here's another action tip. Build a scent story. Each candle should evoke a feeling, not just vanilla and coconut, but a warm hug after a long day. This emotional storytelling sets brands apart. Step 4. Your branding needs to look intentional. This includes your logo, your label designs, your packaging, your color palette, and you don't need a pro designer. I used Canva and Etsy templates for over a year, and they worked great. And here's another tip. Pick 2 to 3 colors and 1 to 2 fonts to stay consistent. Use mock-up tools to preview how your candles look before printing. Packaging tip. I eventually added candle boxes with a scratch-off quote on them to reinforce my mission. Now, I don't use them anymore, but they did have a nice touch. Here's another action tip. Order samples of labels in jars, and don't wait until you're ready. Start now. Touch them, test them, and refine the look. Step 5. Here's where most people freeze. Launching. It doesn't have to be perfect. Start with what you have. Do a soft launch on Instagram. Open pre-orders to family and friends. Offer early access to email subscribers. Here's my tip to you. Make your first 50 sales personal. Include a handwritten thank you card or a small bonus wax melt. You don't need to master TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and YouTube all at once. Pick one, master it, then expand. For me, YouTube worked best. I documented my journey and people connected with the process. Create content around your customer journey. Behind the scenes, pouring candles, packaging orders, people love the process. And that brings us to the bonus section. Why I still believe in building a candle brand in 2025, even with all the so-called saturation. So even with the saturation, there's still room for you. The truth is, people don't just buy candles, they buy connection, story, purpose. So if you do it right, you're not just selling wax in a jar, you're selling calm energy, nostalgia, comfort. I've had customers absolutely light up after reading the quotes on my positivity cards. And that's when I knew that this was more than a product. It was a mission. So if you're watching this, you've already got the heart. Now, let's help you build the business around it. Now, don't just watch this video and move on. Take action. I've created a free worksheet to help you map out everything from your brand identity, audience profile, pricing, visual branding, and you can print it and fill it out digitally. The link is below in the description. Now, and if you want to go even deeper with me behind the scenes to my full process, including my exact suppliers, my testing methods, my email launch strategies, then check out the Night Circle, my YouTube membership. I drop exclusive episodes just for members, and more are coming soon. So let's recap one last time. Define your brand identity, know your audience, build a product line, design visuals, and launch with strategy. There's no right way to build your brand, but there is a smart way. And I hope this video gave you some clarity. So drop a comment below at where you're at within your candle journey, like the video if it helped you, and download the worksheet below in the description. Oh, and subscribe please. It really helps me out and it helps me continue creating great content for you. You've got this. I believe in you. Let's build something beautiful together.